They are so naughty.
Well, everybody, I guess that means we have to Gidgy go. Oh, there you are, Perry. Well, thanks everybody for making this the best day ever. With friends like you, there really is no such thing as an ordinary day. You guys were great. Have a great winter. We'll see you real soon and do something super fun.
Like maybe turning our heads into dual toboggans or sliding down a ski jump.
Nice job, guys.
Building a snowman, the
Top videos.
buses, or giving a Yeti a shower. Taking a snowball fight.
Bye, guys. You were great.
Snow angels that really fly. Rocking a Christmas carol, wrapping a present on the
We'll see you real soon, all right? Take it away, baby.
The best day ever.
You guys were awesome.
Let's make sure that in every single possible way, today's gonna be a great day.